It is a time of wonder, of the majesty of the land, the bounty of the rivers and seas, the magical cycle of the seasons. A time to be thankful for the blessings of the goddess, to pay homage to her and those who attend her endless journey through the Wyrd. A time to be grateful to those held closest, the loyal members of family, clan and kin who would give their lives for one another, without qualm or question. And yet it is also a time of turmoil. For the first time in generations, the land is under threat from an invading force, the might of which has never been witnessed. A seemingly endless stream of disciplined, regimented warriors from beyond the seas who seem determined to wrest the land from those who were born to it. And two other forces, perhaps even more fearsome than the first, hailing also from far-off places, the bands of hooded ones, clutching their books and their symbols, telling of a true God that lays waste to all others. Not with sword or axe do they damage all that is precious, but with honey-coated words and scriptures. Last, and according to some, the most terrible of all, the night folk. Stirring from caves and crypts, from lochs and marshes, from the very ground itself, springing from the words of sagas and songs, from the darkest depths of nightmare, the delicate threads of the weird in their sights, the destruction of the wonder in their soulless hearts. Some think the time of wonder is at an end. Others are prepared to give their lives to make sure it is not.